Yo, what's up YouTube? I have a very quick video that I'm going to make, and this is about Adobe Creative Cloud because for the last, I don't know, maybe a week, I've been having the worst problems with Premiere and Media Encoder. So I'm going to show you how to downgrade your apps. So you can see here in Premiere Pro, it says update to version 13.0.2. I'm currently on 12.1.2 because on Premiere Pro and Media Encoder on 13, it kept crashing every time I tried to export a video. So scroll to the top of Creative Cloud and click on Installed Apps. And then next to Open, you get this little drop-down menu. And then click on Manage, and you get another menu. And click on Other Versions, and then you have a huge list of versions that you can install. And this will probably fix a lot of your issues. So I hope you learned something. I hope that this helps you. Peace.